Tokyo, parts of northern Japan were digging out today from nearly 6 feet, 1.8 meters, of snow after a massive winter storm dumped record amounts. Around 50 troops were pressed into action in Hokkaido to shovel paths to snow-blanketed houses in Rausu on the eastern tip of the island. The town was the worst-hit part of Japan when a major snowstorm whacked into the country at the weekend. The meteorological agency, which gave the snowfall figure, warned of strong winds and further snowfall still to come in the region. "We are telling our residents to stay home if possible," a town official told AFP by telephone. "It's quite dangerous to go outside in this storm," the official said, adding that there had been no immediate reports of injuries or damage.